What's a movie with no ending? Or a horse without its feels? What's a car good for without an engine? Or these songs, if you don't want to hear them? What's a dance floor with no music? All night through, burning television, the house. Yeah, keep dreaming. Tell me, where are you right now? Sympathy.
Oh, it was just
39 minutes.
as well.
No, that's okay. Just
I'm ready. Like, I'm not made of sugar. I think
no
that's
same. Since I'm in Amsterdam, I feel everything is aligned for me, and I feel like home. It's kind of crazy to say that because it's only been like 10 days that I'm here, but I'm feeling really great. Like I say to myself, if you move to Amsterdam, you will have to get out of your comfort zone and try to reach out to people and try to meet new people. And it's what I'm doing now, and I'm super happy and I start to be more confident. I had like an amazing day and I can't wait to have other beautiful day like this one, and I'm so happy. Bye.